What's up, guys? So, I figured I would just talk to you today about what it's like being transgender and a crossdresser and like the differences per se. Some people don't, some men, they don't, that don't feel like they're a woman per se, it's just something they like. And then there's some of us who start to really feel like that this is a part of them, like this is who they are. And I've been feeling that for a long time. And the more that I dress like a woman and do these things, I feel happier with myself. Plus, I love to show it off. I like to see it myself. I think that I'm gorgeous. um, Sometimes it's really confusing. Like, I'm wearing this cardigan and this dress, and I'm wearing jeans this afternoon, and some fluffy slippers. So, yeah, it's like a day by day thing. Um, like, I also have to get up every day and shave if I want to feel the part, which I'm going to go do. Figured I would just start sharing some of this, and we'll just add on more in my videos. So, thanks for watching, everybody.